Hi, I'm Sally Thibault. In this video today, we're going to be tapping on the belief that I can't lose weight. You know, for many women, especially those over 50 and who have spent a lot of their lives trying to lose weight through dieting or any other method, in my experience now working with women to help them feel stronger, leaner and lighter, the belief that they can't lose weight is a strong one. And until you can change that, all the good eating, all the exercising, all the programs you go on won't work. This is the one where you have to truly have that belief that you can and you're ready and you deserve to release that weight that just no longer serves you. So I want you to measure on a scale of 1 to 10. How strong is the belief that I can't lose weight? And I want you to write that down. And where do you feel it in your body? Now, I'll say a level 9 and feel it in my gut, but you can say it wherever it is for you. All right, we start off tapping on the side of the hand and just follow me. Even though I have this really strong belief that I can't lose weight, I deeply and completely accept myself and how I feel. Even though I want to lose weight, I know the right things to do, but I have this strong belief that I can't lose weight. Even though I've tried so many things before, I just end up going back to the same old way. I just don't believe that I can lose weight. Okay, tapping. I don't believe I can lose weight. I've tried so many times before. I honestly don't believe I can. This level 9 belief that I just can't lose weight. I've failed so many times in the past. I have this strong belief that I can't lose weight. And I know it sabotages me. I do all the right things for a little while, and then I give up. This strong belief, I just can't lose this weight. I honestly believe I can't lose weight. This strong belief that I just can't lose weight. Take a deep breath and let it go. Now, the challenge is to look at all the times that you've tried to lose weight and you have failed in the past. Or go back and look at some of the things that people have said to you. As you release that cortisol by tapping, you start to remember times and words and people and events of the past that caused you to create that belief. It's just a belief. It's not real. So I challenge you to keep on going, to do some more tapping, but let's try a reframe round. This would be something you'd add when you're down to a 0 or a 2 in your belief. So you go, I had that belief, it's not as strong anymore, maybe a 2, maybe a 0. Try a reframe round, but don't go to the reframe round, as I've mentioned many times before, until that belief is down. All right, let's just try the reframe round. You may even want to make some mantras about this, some affirmation mantras. See how we go. Even though I know that I had this strong belief in the past that I couldn't lose weight, I choose to believe otherwise. Even though that limiting belief was sabotaging my efforts. I choose to believe I can release this weight, even though that belief was sabotaging me. I forgive myself for hanging on to it. I choose to believe I can. I choose to believe I can lose weight. I am now working towards that beautiful weight release. I don't need to hold on to it any longer. It served its purpose. Now I can let it go. I forgive myself for holding on to that limiting belief. I choose to believe I can release that weight. I choose to be the best version of myself. Take a deep breath and add that power pose. Hands on your hips if you want. Just really feel that energy. You're the most powerful version of yourself. You can release that weight that no longer serves you. It was there for a while to protect you. Ready to let it go. I hope that's helped. Remember to click on the link to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll be uploading new tapping videos every day for the next 30 days. And let me help you release the weight that no longer serves you so you can feel stronger, leaner, and lighter, no matter how old you are. Remember, you're never too old and it's never too late.